Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super cool and trendy. Creating a glass effect in Figma for 2025 designs. If you're a designer looking to add that sleek, modern vibe to your UI elements, this tutorial is perfect for you. Glass effects can make your interfaces feel more dynamic and interactive, and the best part is, it's easier than you think with Figma's powerful tools. First things first, make sure you have Figma open and ready to go. Start by creating a new frame or selecting an existing one where you want to apply the effect. Let's begin with a simple rectangle. Draw one using the rectangle tool. This will be our base for the glass. Next, to get that frosted glass look, head over to the Effects panel. Select your rectangle and add a Gaussian blur. Set the blur radius to around 10 to 15 pixels, depending on how subtle or pronounced you want the effect. This blurs the background, mimicking real glass. Now, for the glassy transparency, adjust the fill color of your rectangle. Choose a semi-transparent white or light tint, say 50% opacity, to let the background show through. To make it more realistic, add a layer style. Go to the layer effects and apply an inner shadow with a light color and low opacity. This creates depth, like light reflecting off glass. Don't forget to refine it. If you're working with an image or pattern behind your glass element, group them together and experiment with blend modes. For example, using multiply or screen can enhance the effect. Once you're happy, duplicate the element and tweak the settings to see variations. There you have it, a stunning glass effect in just a few steps. This technique is versatile for buttons, cards, or even full backgrounds. Practice on your own projects, and remember, Figma updates might bring even more features in 2025. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and drop a comment below on what effect you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.